Okay, today 2023 Kia Sportage did an oil change. I'm going to go over where to find the reset is for that. Let's take a look. I got the vehicle running actually right now, but you want to go over to your dash where your radio screen is and all. Go to your home. Once you're there, you're going to go over to your settings. Then to your vehicle. There, now on this cluster, you're going to scroll up. You got convenience at the very bottom. You've got oil change reminder, your service intervals. There you go, your oil change reminder. That's going to bring you over. I've already done it. I have 95% left. But then you would just hit reset and it'll zero back out. If you want to go back, and then you have service intervals, you can go there. And with that, you could put in the amount of miles that you want to go before your next, which I put in 6,500. It's counting down. You can go by days, and there's your reset for that after your oil change. So you would reset it to clear out the alarm for the oil change, and then reset it over here so you can go ahead your other distance, and it'll remind you to change your oil out again. It's as simple as that. Hope that helped.